If your opinion of Jesus is unfavorable, please proceed. Scrolling, however, if you have a favorable perspective of Jesus, kindly stay put and observe until the God has a message for you today. In conclusion, your beliefs have a significant impact on works produced in life. Ignores any pessimistic ideas, can result in behaviors based on fear. If you continue to oppose change with fear, resistance is going to. Continue to be upbeat and convinced that change is benefiting you both more than along with you. Your life is always trying to give what you require, even if it's not always occur as anticipated release from the desire for control, your contentment and trust that it will come on. You're working hard, and you are experiencing the rewards by establishing limits and removing them, eliminating reliance, self-restrictive ideas you are promoting. Put yourself in a better position. Heights. Honor your ascent to turning. Become the greatest incarnation of yourself. Take pride in your identity and what you are producing, since you really merit it. Everyone affirms, I recognize my purity. The divine message. Occasionally, we accept less. Since we are unaware of our own worthy of us, we frequently surpass because we are afraid of failing love today. Take a moment to relax and sincerely evaluate the worth you give you a lovely, strong person. Amazing and adoringly trust in your skills. They have progressed you thus far and will continue to. You are beyond comprehension. Locations are patient, my friend. Even though you might want, the manifestation of your diligent effort is beginning to take shape. Within your life pause, recognize that it's recall that contentment doesn't happen when everything aligns itself perfectly. Realizing the miracles contained there in alignment, discover serenity at your own speed and appreciation for the remarkable operations within your favorite blessings arrive on time, every time. Never turns off delay, but have faith that they'll arrive soon. Soon, similar to this video. If you think that the divine message this September, pledge to constructing and embracing the greatest vision for your life. Never stop believing that you all the things you require to prosper as you strive to realize your for which you are led by the divine-backed, safeguarded, and much obliged. Thank you for the source. Always directing me to live my best life has anything at all to give me. Say yes frequently to confirm this message when something unexpected happens in life. Take back power by realizing that you possess the ability to start a new vision. Quit focusing on the possibilities. Please donate us $100 to support us. Bin and concentrate on the present and potential. Spend some time recovering and focusing on what you want, then get to work making. It recalls how buildings are made, brick by brick, and your contentment extra needs daily. Dedicated to asserting that I am God's kid. The universe informs you that in spite of the difficulties you observe, believe that the storm will pass. Soon, regardless of how gloomy it appears. Believe in the lovely blue right now. Skies a little way beyond the cloud. Attention is on the assurance rather than planting. Keep in mind that rain purifies and nurtures, showing gratitude for each drop. As you anticipate your harvest, gardens are continually expanding. For the today's gardeners, opt to pursue 3 careers. Able to learn, dependable and accessible, and able to learn, so that you can discover what you require to go and build the life that you desire. To trust in God and that goodness. Things will still work out for you. Finally, be accessible for the setbacks, blessings that are headed your way. Attend to be blessed with life's blessings, as prepared for your kind. 5151 to confirm this God's message is to shift your attention today, to discover your calm, comprehend your goal, and you'll be given what you. It doesn't matter how fast you move. Let go of irritability and faith in God. Timing, focus on your commitment, and thank you for your provision. Believe that what's intended, since you'll discover You give up obstructing it with concern when the response is to wait. Listen, all of this is happening for you. Best good, even in the absence of manifestation. Setbacks occur when you least expect them, for increased objects believe that they are blessed by you, the exact same. You can never miss or make a mistake with time. It is intended for you to inhale a purifying breath. To easily release limiting old energy, preparing a space for the something amazing is attempting to come into your life. Accept it and provide thank you. Now is your moment to shine. Everything will become clear. Quickly enter 333. If you concur that today's word from God is to be the best person you can be at all times, benevolent even in the face of, be understanding, even if you're exhausted, furious, go above and above the call of duty, without anticipating anything from return, and don't wait for anything in silence. Either actively listen when someone speaks and actually pays attention without merely considering how you'll respond with love and gratitude. To those in your vicinity, show others kindness. Voluntarily try to improve yourself. You are able to be, and when you commit errors, make apologies. One thing you should never do right away is strive to show everyone how amazing you are. Let your deeds do the talking. We don't have much time left on this ourselves. Earth, so if someone can, make the most of it. Doesn't perceive your brightness, excellent news. Your light attracts individuals in a similar way to moths in a I'm prepared to shine in the flame type. Affirm what God is telling you if you trust Him. Don't move forward today if you're not emptying the tank. Emptiness attempting to move forward without gasoline just increases your needless stress journey. Now is the ideal time to unwind and let go of your impatience. To arriving on any journey takes a few moments. Halt, replenish, reassemble, and find what you need to reclaim by refocusing. Maintain your momentum and return to the road type that I firmly believe in. Today's word from God is about letting go. Battle and accepting the liberation that confidence in your capacity to solve problems provides you with enough suffering, and a breakthrough is imminent. Remember that trust and hope are incompatible. Grow when faced with fear and have confidence in your ability to accept, as a shift is impending. Get ready to make selections that suit your happiness. Selecting love can lessen the weight of suffering, and selecting thankfulness can bring calmness to your travels, and concentration on solutions may result in plenty. Never give up. You can succeed. It requires to be happy, even when it appears to distant emphasis on improving one decision at a time. And cease responding to instead, begin actively constructing the living you. I would want to convey that I am aware of. Affirm that you are hearing from your real self. Your future self will reflect on today. What your existing circumstances in shock at how everything came to be. Have faith in this procedure that requires effort on your part. Attain your objectives don't remain unachieved because of faith in your own skills. Your miracle might only be a single instance of forgiveness, one thoughtful action, one fresh habit. If any way have faith in your ability to succeed to produce your bliss, please subscribe to our channel. You are my love. The word from God. The cosmos today is that launching yourself toward your goals. It might not be simple, but it's essential for expansion. Don't allow fear of the unknown to maintain you on lower ground. You won't be saved by anybody else. It's urge you to have faith in oneself and move, following what you deserve, to have faith in your ability to leap toward your objectives and obtain the rewards. Have confidence in yourself and begin. You adventure that your life is taking you on rationale. Hence, you shouldn't question the potential for gratitude. Your convictions today, your have faith that it will happen tomorrow. Manifest say, in my opinion, to support this notice that you've been working hard to design the life you want, so go ahead and a chance to acknowledge your accomplishments and transformation. Take note of your blessings as directed and expect their delivery. Know you're protected. and there will be more positive developments in a mere time always makes clear what is intended for you. Thus, don't allow uncertainty to fortunately. Your impatience conveys a message. Instead, have faith in the universe. There's more to come, so get ready. For consider what steps you need to do to prepare for more is flowing into what's designed for you, in your direction, and that which was never yours is things will come into alignment, and you'll be astounded at how worthy the universe is. Thinks you are type yes, if you find that God says to believe that now. Every encounter is meant to assist you. Discover the part of you that is truly you. Nearest to the source is the voice telling you that you can. Realizing your boundless creative potential, accept it by realizing that you are capable of creating the life you desire. Everyone has dreams, but not all of them come true. It is given to everyone, since wishes must be joined by wishing and doing go hand in hand to bring about manifestation. Miracles continue to occur, and keep in mind that forgiving someone is not about ignoring, that the goal is to move. Let go of the past and move on, both you and others, and create space for extra. In your life says, I accept my ability to confirm. This God's message for tonight is about the demand for perfection and control. It frequently results from self-doubt and produces worry. Give up trying to be in charge. Nothing is 100% certain in everything. Rather than flawless, admit and let go. The notion of govern each decision you make, whether it leads to the result you've intended or teaches you a new aspect of yourself, helps you develop and self-assurance that you're not losing, gaining confidence in your skills, and keep going. Mention further forward that this will also pass too when things don't go according to plan. Have faith that your redirection is leading to nearer to where you're being instructed on how to employ your abilities to generate plenty, allowing yourself to be healed and establishing the appropriate people. The cosmos is aware of your desires and is leading you in that direction. Don't let distractions obscure your triumphs you have already attained. Getting all you want is within reach. You only have to have faith in the. Don't allow uncertainty to obstruct your blessings. Think that greater and more advantageous items are heading your way. Have faith that the right moment will feeling in the last kind. If you're prepared to accept this, then 2121. The message for today advises you to keep an awareness of your ideas as they form your actuality. When pessimistic ideas surface, inhale deeply and rephrase them. Kindly let go of undesirable ideas that highlight your skills, as opposed to constraints that your decisions may result in achievement. Even as you're being taught useful lessons, don't impede your development by focusing on previous errors rather than making a decision to proceed. Fortunately, life does not penalize you for your deeds. You grievances up to make things better future for. You should have faith in yourself and make the required preparations to reach your desires. Assert that I am capable of. Confirm your belief that each experience is created to assist you in discovering your own self, what is most closely related to the source. The voice doesn't tell you not to mention the one who says you may accept this reality because it acknowledges your boundless capacity for invention. Recognize that you possess the ability to mold your existence in accordance with your wishing on its own won't fulfill your desires. To realize your dreams, you must also take action and resist the urge to settle in. Your current circumstances prohibit you from achieving your utmost possibility. Have faith in oneself and accept the take. Abound for your fantasies. Give you confidence that you can takes to fulfill your aims. So please click the channel icon if you affection. The lesson from God today is to let go of